guys, today's video I made a research on a plant, leaf of life, and from the research it states that the plant promotes hair growth, it prevents graying. So guys, in this video we are going to try this plant on my hair for 7 days and see the impact of this plant on my hair. So guys, stay to watch this video to the end. This is day one. So this is what is left. Cover my hair. So this is the rest of the liquid. So we'll be using this for the remaining days. So this is day 2. So I'm going to put this on for about 30 minutes. I'm not going to wash this hair. So we are not adding any other stuff to the hair till we get to the 7 days and we see the changes it have on my hair. So guys, thank you. I'm going to see you on day 3. It's day 3 and guys, this is how my hair is. I don't know if you can see it so well. Yes. So we're going to go ahead and I'll apply our product on my hair. So I don't think this is going to be enough. This is not going to be enough. So I'm going to add more. And this is it. See, as it stays down, it settles beneath it. So I have to shake it very well. I'll go ahead and spray this on my scalp. So I'm going to put the remaining in the fridge. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to see you tomorrow for another application. So guys, this is the 4th day of our journey. Let's get to it. This is day 5 and so far. So let's go straight to the video. going to be eating this. So this is day 6. Wow, one more to go, guys. If you're still watching me up to this time, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I'm so grateful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't leave this channel without subscribing. And guys, have I communicated my new channel to you yet? Yeah, I have a new channel, Siska Talks, guys. I make entertainment videos. I videos to cheer you up. I sometimes post videos on news. I make funny videos. You are just going to love it. So please subscribe to that channel as well. Guys, show your love, show your love. So welcome back. This is the final day. This is our 7th day of our journey, guys. I'm so happy, and I'm going to share with you the changes, what we all have been looking for. Look at the improvement in my hair. I don't want to lie to you guys. Look at it. Look. My hair is all grown. It has increased. And the surprising thing is, this product didn't only grow my hair, it also softened my hair. And about the graying, I'm not so sure. I have one gray in my hair, but even though I can't see it anymore, I'm not so sure if the graying too was possible, but it seems it will be possible. So guys, if you love the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, I added palm kernel oil to this leaf. Yes, this is to help prevent breakages and dryness. So I recently uploaded a video about how to make your own palm kernel oil and why you need that oil in your home. I'll leave the link below in the description so that guys you can check it out. And one thing I didn't say to this product helps to reduce dandruff, itching scalp. After using this product for some time now, I've seen a reduction in my itching scalps. This product is just I don't know how to say it, but it's just something else. Just 7 days. 7 days of using this product. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you always be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Until then, let me cover my hair first. Until then guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.